right. Hello there. It's getting 1 o'clock, and we are in for a product launch at Green Furniture. I'm Johan Berin. I'm the founder and designer at Green Furniture. And actually, we have done a revolutionary launch before. We launched the Nova C series at grand occasions at Stockholm Central Station with Crown Princess Victoria uncovering the Nova C and the whole Swedish press watching. It's not going to be like that this time. It's 2020, spring 2020, and the situation is different out there. We're broadcasting live from our office in Malmö, from the Green Furniture office in Malmö. And we hope that you watch this from all over the world, safely at home, and take care. And now, we're in for something spectacular. We're in for something landscaping. Landscaping, just like the Nova C series, is landscaping and placemaking in public interiors around the world. It was 7 years ago we introduced it, and we found how furniture can be placemaking, how they can contribute to create an engaging, nice place where people feel at ease and want to come back, but it's memorable. And this, it's taken 7 years, but here we have something just as placemaking and landscaping for public interiors, but from another angle. This is the beam seating angle. What you find many ways out there in airports and hospitals. And we've found the ways of making that furniture stand out and be memorable, be landscaping, be placemaking, be part of that place. What you see usually talking about beam seating looks like this. And you probably never really noticed. If you think back of a time, last time you were flying, you were in an airport, and you were sitting, waiting in a gate environment, for example, and try and recall what that gate looked like. What were you sitting on? How did it feel? And I don't really think you can recall that because it wasn't part of the experience. It was just not memorable. But here is something truly placemaking in the beam seating world. I think this will be just as revolutionary as the Nova C series was when introduced. And that it continues to be in commercial places, public interiors around the world. Now I'm going to move over to Jonathan, our CEO, that will uncover the very first glimpse of the Ascent series. Beam seating, placemaking, and Jonathan, have a go.
Have a go.
Wee-hoo! Whee! Here we hear the public audience screaming out loud. We're not so many at the office, unfortunately, or happily these days. But we have Joachim representing the design team of Green Furniture, who is now going to show us how this beam seating works. And first of all, I'd really like to express my enormous gratitude for the design team at Green Furniture making something spectacular and groundbreaking in the beam seating world like
Thank
this. You. And I'm going to hand over the microphone to you like this. There you go.
Thank you. All right. All right, so let's talk about Ascent. So Ascent is our newest modular seamless seating line. And it comes in modules, both straight and curved. And the one I'm sitting on right now is a double back or back-to-back module. If you would take away the backrest, it would be a double bench module. But double bench would be great for areas where you want a more open and airy atmosphere. But the crown jewel of this series is without a doubt the RISE modules that connects the double back and double bench with one seamless sweep. This not only looks great, but it also makes this series available to twist and turn not only in 2 dimensions, but in 3, where you can go up and down in the room as well. This entire configuration is made with double modules. And we also have this series available as single. Single is half the size of this, and then you can put it against the wall. When we start designing this series, we thought about how we could capture the very essence of what seamless design is all about. And this is the result. And one great example of this is the seat itself. There is no joints or seams where the back goes from one place over to the next. There is just one solid surface. The modules itself is another example. It is made so that you can't really see where one module ends and the next one begins. And made so it should be fused into one another. Further, this is amplified in the leg design of the product. The legs are designed in a way so they should be perceived as one when you place them next to each other. All of this is made so that the configuration itself should look as one piece, rather than a lot of modules placed next to each other. Then all the wood components and all the seats is made of wood. This is for the biophilic design and the warmth of the product. But it also has great thermal aspects. It's never cold, it's never hot, no matter where you place it. It's always comfortable to sit on. Then we have the add-ons. Add-ons goes in between the slats. You can place them freely any way you like. And no matter if it is an armrest or a table or a charger, you will be able to switch and exchange them freely in any way you like. This is also a way for us to future safe this product. When we do new add-ons, they will do so and be designed with the same kind of interface as this one. And then we have the charging. I mean, in this day and age, we want to be able to charge our phone or mobile devices or tablets anywhere we are. And this module alone, this is a 2-meter module, has 8 charging points available. So all you need to do is to add one of the charging add-ons to one of these points, and you will give your user the ability to charge their phone or their app, their tablets or computers. All the cables are integrated in the beam itself. So this is made so as a design perspective, but also as a safety precaution. So there is no cables visible whatsoever. Luggage. There's a lot of room underneath for luggage. So there's no need for you to have it in front of you. You can just as easily have it underneath. And then we come to the coloring of this series. This is all made natural looking with pure oak with a natural oil on top and with gray undercarriage. But this could really be any color you like. If you wanted a blue top and a yellow undercarriage, that would be available. Anything that you want to have is available. Then we have the cleaning. Cleaning is something that we know it's a bit of a hustle when you have public area products. So we try to design away things like pockets and ridges in the product itself. Again, one great example of this is a double design. The seat doesn't have any seams or ridges where dust and dirt can collect. The beam itself is also designed so that there is no pockets or ridges. And the modules range from 1.5 to 2 meters in length. And there are only 4 points in the ground. So it's easy to sweep underneath and maintain the product. And then the core of our business, the sustainability. Of course, this is also reflected in the products. Ascent is made with certified wood, recycled aluminum, recycled steel, recycled plastic. Every part and every material could be separated for recycling or if you want to maintain or upgrade. This entire series is made to be put into a circular economy. So this series, Ascent, is more than just a product. It is a toolkit, a playful toolkit for architects, designers, and everybody else to use and explore. And when we were young, we had Lego, but now we have Ascent. This is it. I'm so happy for everyone that tuned in. We will answer all of your questions, and please post them as comments. You will also find more information regarding this series online. Just go to our webpage and you will find everything there. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.